Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercises questions from age calculation. So in the previous few lectures, we have seen that there are 5 types of problems that can be formed from age calculation. Present age difference, ages in the past or future, family age relations and ages with ratios. So present age primarily deals with finding the current age of a person. Correct? Age difference means there will be 2 or more people, they will have different ages, and we have to either find the sum or the difference or the product of their ages. Correct? This was age difference. Now, ages in the past or future basically means that certain years, certain specific years were given to us, like 2022, 2024, specific years, or certain number of years were given to us. Number of years means that 3 years from now, 4 years from now, or 5 years ago, something like that. Family age relations basically means that ages of certain members of the family, children, grandchildren, mother, father, these will be given to us. Based on that information, we have to find the age of other family members. And age with ratios means that certain ratios will be given to us, and based on those ratios, we have to solve the question. So in the last lecture, we discussed these 3 types in detail. We discussed their exercises questions, and in today's lecture, we will discuss these 2 types in detail, that is type 4 and type 5. So let us start. Divided by 13, which is equals to 4. So value of x will be 4. Based on this age, can I find the age of the sisters? Yes. The age of one sister will be 7, 6 plus 4. Which is 7 into 4 plus 4. This will be 28 plus 4, which is equals to 32. And the age of other sister will be how much? The age of other sister will be 6x plus 4. So 6 into 4 plus 4, that is 24 plus 4, that is 28. So who amongst them is the younger sister? 28. 28 is the age of the younger sister. Now in the question, we have to answer what was the age of the grandmother at the time of the birth of the younger sister. So at the birth, the age of the younger sister will be 0. The current age is 28. So we have to find grandmother's age 28 years ago. Correct? Because the age of the younger sister is 28. So at the birth, the age was 0. So 28 years ago, grandmother's age will be 88 minus 28. And 88 minus 28 will give me how much? It will give me 60 years. So grandmother's age at the birth of the younger sister was 60 years, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be your correct answer. Clear? Type 4, question number 2. A father is 4 times as old as his son. So let the age of son is x. So the age of father is 4 times that of the son's age, that means 4x. This is the present age. 8 years hence means after. So 8 years after, the ratio of father's age to the son's age will be 20:7. So 8 years after, if this is the present age, right? So 8 years after means 4x plus 8 upon x plus 8. The ratio of their ages will be 20/7. Correct? We have to find the sum of their present ages. So present age is 4x and x. So I have to solve this equation. If I take 7 this side and if I take this side, so it will be 7 4x plus 8 equals to 20 into x plus 8. Correct? So 7 into 4, 28x plus 8 sevens are 56. Will be equal to 20x plus 160. Correct? So if I take 20 this side, it will be 28x minus 20x equals to 160 minus 56. Correct? So 28x minus 20x will be 8x, and 160 minus 56 will be how much? It will be 104. Correct? So x will be 104 upon 8. 8 ones 8, 2 will be carried. 8 3s are 24. So the value of x is 13. So the present age of the son will be 13 and the present age of the father will be 13 into 4. This is equals to 52. So the sum of their ages will be 52 plus 13. This will be 5, this will be 6, and the sum of their present age will be 65. This is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer to this question. Clear? Question number 3. The sum of ages of 5 children born at an interval of 3 years each is 50 years. So if the age, let's say the current age of one person, there are 5 children, right? So the first children is X. The age of the next person will be X plus 3. Then the age of the next child will be X plus 3 plus 3. Then the age of the next child will be X plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And similarly, the age of the next child will be X plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So this will be the ages. So this will be X, this will be X plus 3, this will be X plus 6, this will be X plus 9, and this will be X plus 12. These will be their current ages. Now the sum is given to us, which is 50 years. The sum is 50 years. So if I add all these together, I'll get 50 years. Correct? So how many X are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say 5X plus 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 plus 12 is how much? 30. So 5X plus 30 equals to 50. This is given in the question. We have to find the age of the youngest child. So the age of the youngest child will be X. So we have to find the value of X. Over here, I can solve it as 5X equals to 50 minus 30, which is equals to 20. So 5X equals to 20. So X will be 20 by 5, which is equals to 4. So X value is 4. The value or the age of the youngest child will be 4 years old, which is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Clear? Now, question number 4. Radha's age was 4 years ago is twice of her age 10 years from now. So, Radha's age 4 years ago was twice the age that she will be when 10 years from now. 10 years ago. So, Radha's age 4 years ago is twice of her age 10 years ago. So, this is given in the question. Based on this, can I find the value of Radha? Yes. So if I solve this, it will be r minus 4 equals to 2r minus 20. So if I take my r over there, 2r minus r, and if I take my 20 over here, it will be 20 minus 4. So r's value will be 16. Now, the respective ratio between her brother's present age and Radha's present age is 3:4. So I can say we are talking about current ages. Correct? So if this is Radha and the brother, if Radha's present age is 4x, the brother's present age is 3x. This is given in the question, the ratio of brother to Radha. So brother to Radha. So brother's age is 3x, Radha's age is 4x. So Radha's present age is also 16. We found this with the first sentence. So 4x will be equal to 16. So x will be equal to 16 by 4, which is 4. Correct? X value will be 4. So if I put the value of x over here, 3 into 4 will be equal to 12. So brother's present age will be 12 years old. In the question, we have to find the brother's age of Radha 3 years hence. Hence means after. So how old Radha's brother will be 3 years after. So at present he is 12 years old. So after 3 years he will be 15 years old. Okay, and this is given in option number 1. So option number 1 is your correct answer. Clear? Question number 5. 10 years ago, the age of the mother was 3 times the age of her son. So let the mother's age be M and the son's present age be S. So 10 years ago, M minus 10, she was 3 times the age of her son. So S minus 10. Okay. So if I open this up, it will be M minus 10 equals to 3S minus 30. So M will be equal to how much? If I take 10 this side, it will be positive. It will be 3S minus 20. Now, After 10 years, mother's age will be twice that of his son. So after 10 years, m plus 10, mother's age will be twice of the son's age. This will be the equation. So if I solve this, it will be m plus 10 equals to 2s plus 20. Correct? So if I take 10 this side, it will turn negative. So m will be equal to how much? 2s plus 10. So this will be my equation 1 and this will be my equation 2. I can equate the equation 1 and equation 2. So if I equate them, I'll get 3s minus 20 equals to 2s plus 10. Correct? If I take 2s this side, it will be 3s minus 2s, which is equal to s. And if I take 20 this side, it will be plus 20. So 10 plus 20 will give me 30. This will be the age of the son. Now mother's age will be how much? 2. If I put the son's age 30 plus 10. So this will be 60 plus 10, that is 70. So mother's age is 70 years old. Correct? Mother's age is 70 years old. We have to find the ratio of their present age. So the ratio of mother to son will be how much? 70 is to 30. Correct? And 70 is to 30 will be 7 is to 3, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer to this question. Clear? How we found the answer? Now, question number 6. The ratio of the ages of Isha and her mother is 1:4. So if Isha and mother, so if Isha is x, mother will be 4x. Correct? The ratio is given to us 1:4. And the ratio of ages of Isha's mother and her brother is 9:1. So Isha's mother and brother is 9:1. So if Isha's mother is 9x, the brother is x. But to form a correct equation of y, the brother is y. To convert them into a same equation, I can say I can multiply this by 9 and I can multiply this by 4. So Isha, mother and brother. So if I multiply this by 9, it will be 9x and this will be 36x. And if I multiply this by 4, this will be how much? This will be 36x and this will be how much? This will be 4x. Correct? So here I'll get 4x. So if I multiply and make them together, this concept is learned in the chapter ratios. If A is to B and B is to C given to us, we have to make B equal so we can get A is to B is to C. Correct? So over here we had to make the value of mother equal so we can get A is to M is to B, that is Isha, mother is to brother. Okay? So the final ratio that we'll get after multiplication will be this. 9x is to 36x is to 4x. Now, Isha's brother is 5 years younger than Isha. So Isha is 9x and brother is 4x. So he is 5 years younger. So 9x minus 4x gives me 5. So 5x equals to 5. That means the x value will be 1. So if I put x as 1, value of Isha will be 9, value of mother will be 36 and the value of brother will be 4. We have to find the age of Isha's mother after 4 years. So this is the present value. So after 4 years means we'll simply add 4. So if I add 4, I'll get 40. So Isha's mother age after 4 years will be 40, which is option number 2. Clear? So this is how you get questions on family age relations. Now the next type number 5, ages with ratios. So in this certain ratios are given and we have to find the answer accordingly. Now the ratio of Preeti and Sonali's present age is 3:5. So let's say Preeti's age is 3x. Sonali's age will be how much? 5x. Correct? If the difference between their ages is 10 years, that means 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. This is given in the question, right? So I can say 2x will be equal to 10. So x will be equal to 10 by 2, which is 5 years. If this is 5, the present age of Preeti will be 3 into 5, which is 15 years. Similarly, the present age of Sonali will be 5 into 5, which is 25 years. Now, in the question we have asked what will be the ratio of Preeti's age and Sonali's age after 4 years. So the present age of Preeti and Sonali is how much? 15 and 25. So after 4 years, that means plus 4 and plus 4, their ages will be 19 and 29. So the ratio will be 19:29, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 2. The ratio of David's and Sophie's present age is 2:3. So let's say David's present age is 2x, Sophie's present age will be 3x. Okay. The difference between their ages is 5 years. So 3x minus 2x equals to 5 years. That means x's value is 5. If x's value is 5, the present age of David will be the present age of David and Sophie. So David will be 2 into 5, that is 10, and Sophie will be 3 into 5, that is 15. Correct? This will be the present age. We have to find Sophie's age after 2 years. So after 2 years, Sophie's age will be 15 plus 2, that is 17 years. So after 2 years, Sophie's age will be 17 years, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Question number 3. The ratio of Alex and Nia's present age is 7:9. So let's say the present age of Alex is 7x and the present age of Nia is 9x. Okay? The present age of Alex is 7x and the present age of Nia is 9x. The difference between their ages is 14 years. So 9x minus 7x is given to us as 14 years. So 9x minus 7x will be how much? It will be 2x. So this is equals to 14 years. X will be 14 divided by 2. That means 7 years. Based on this information, can we find the present ages of Nia and Alex? Yes. The present age of Nia is 9x. So 9 is to 7 will give me how much? 63. Similarly, the Alex age is 7x. So 7 into 7 will give me 49. We have to find Nia's age after 6 years. So after 6 years, that means plus 6. So 63 plus 6 will give me 69. So Nia's age after 3 years will be 69 years old, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 4. The ratio of John's and Lisa's present age is 6:8. So I can say if John's age is 6x, Lisa's age will be 8x. Correct? This is the ratio. Difference is given to us is 16 years. So 8x minus 6x is equals to 16 is given to us in the question. So this will be 2x equals to 16. So value of x will be 16 divided by 2, which is 8 years. Based on this information, can we find the present age of John and Lisa? Yes. So John's age is 6x. So that means 6 into 8, which is equals to 48. Similarly, Lisa's age is 8x. So 8 into 8, that means 64. These are their present ages. We have to find out what will be Lisa's age after 5 years. So after 5 years means plus 5. So 64 plus 5 will give me 69 years. So Lisa's age after 5 years will be 69 years. That is option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Question number 5. The sum of Rahul and Meena's age is 45. So let's say the present age of Rahul is R and the present age of Meena is M. So according to the question, R plus M equals to 45. Now, Rahul is 5 years older than Meena. So Rahul is Meena plus 5. Correct? So from here I can substitute the value of R into this equation. So if I put the value of R, M plus 5 plus M will be equal to 45. Correct? So this will be 2M equals to 45 minus 5, which is 40. So M will be 40 divided by 2, which is equals to 20. Correct? Now, we have to find the ratio of Meena's and Rahul's age after 5 years. So the current age of Meena, the present age of Meena is 20 years. And the present age of Rahul is how much? I can find from this equation Rahul is equal to Meena's age, that is 20 plus 5, that is 25 years. So Rahul's present age is 25 years. Now after 5 years, that means plus 5 years, their ages will be 20 plus 5, that is 25, and Rahul's age after 5 years will be 25 plus 5, which is 30. So the ratio of Meena's and Rahul age will be 25:30. So if I divided by 5, the ratio will be 5:6. This will be the ratio. And this is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer to this question. Clear? Here is the solution. You can check the solution. So type 5, question number 6. The ratio of Lisa's and Meenu's age is 3:5. Okay, so I can say the present age of Lisa and Meenu. Lisa will be 3x and Meenu will be 5x. Correct? Now it is given to us that Lisa is 15 years old. So Lisa's present age is 15 years old. So based on this equation, 3x equals to 15, I can find the value of x. X will be 15 by 3. 15 by 3 means 5 years. Correct? So if x equals to 5 years, the value of Meenu's age will be 5. Meenu's present age will be 5 into 5, that is 25 years. Now according to the question, we have to find Meenu's age after 4 years. So after your 4 years means plus 4. So 25 plus 4 will give me 29 years. So Meenu's age after 4 years will be 29 years, which is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer to this question. Clear? This is the solution. So in this lecture we discussed the 2 types. So there are 5 types. We discussed 3 in the previous lecture. In this lecture we discussed the other 2, and this complete the exercises questions of age calculations. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.